Hey guys, I just realized that there's not a whole lot of videos on this particular issue with the 320s or the X carries. I don't know if it's a big issue or not, but I experienced it, so I'm gonna make a video and gonna share with you all. If it helps you, great. If not, then whatever. So take it apart. It's kind of weird taking apart, looking through the lenses of your camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you something real quick. So when you're gonna put this back together, this little spring right here, like it will get caught like just right here. Can you get like on the light? Can you see it over there? If not, so when you put it together, you have to make sure this is facing like up and down. Thank you. So like when you put it right here, you have to make sure this guy is facing up and down. And the thing is that it has such a small little cut for it compared to like on the sides. I don't know why they did that. It's kind of annoying as shit, but whatever. So when you put it together, damn, it's really aggravating putting. You have to make sure it's centered and it's like up and down like that. Otherwise, if it's like the other way around, if it's like this, you get caught on the walls of your trigger assembly right here. You see? So you have to make sure this is facing up and down and like it's like very centered. It's kind of annoying. I don't know why they did that, but just a little FYI for you, so that if you get annoyed that why it won't go all the way to the back when you're reassembling, which it's doing now, you see, it's a pain in the ass, man. You have to make sure it's centered, otherwise it's gonna get caught on the side. It should be like a simple process, but it's not. There you go. See? Now. There you go. So, just remember that for next time. I spent like 40 minutes trying to figure that out. Go figure. All right.